from beginning? Okay, start explaining what's happening.
Okay, so what's happening is, well, me and Faith made a slide, and so...
Go to the next slide, because that one's weird.
So this is what's happening. As the particles are switching places and getting warmer and colder, they get warmer as they go closer to the ground because they're going away from the atmosphere, and colder as they go up because they're getting closer to space. And so the bangs are when they collide, and that's supposed to be like lightning. And we made the bangs random because lightning is not orderly. So they just keep going back and forth because they just keep switching, because as they get cold, they get heavier, like ice.
Okay,
like this much ice can be heavier than this much water.
So, hold on for a second. Why don't you hit escape and show us on the side how you made that happen? That's what they really asked.
Okay, so what happened is, I have a path that goes back and that goes here, and then this one goes here, but then thing is that on here.
Go to the fifth slide. Go on the left, the fifth slide, and then start from scratch. Just put a dot in and show what.
Okay, so what I did was I did insert shapes, then I did a little oval. Instead of making it an oval, I made it a circle. Okay, and then I changed the color to red with this. And then now I go to animations. So first I do add animation. I do, yes, shapes. It's going to do circle. Now I look at the animation and I change the change how it goes.
Ooh, that's nice.
Like this. And then now it'll go, see, this is a hurricane, and it goes through the eye of the hurricane and comes back around. And then,
Show how it changes color, right?
yeah, and then so what I did next was I did animation, more emphasis effect, fill color. That changes the color of the fill, which is the original. Now I do effect options, style, it changes from red to blue. And then if I do auto reverse, then it'll change from blue to red.
Oh, that is awesome.
Okay, hit okay.
I get it now.
Okay.
And then you have to do start with previous.
Yeah, then I have to do start with previous. And then I can change the speeds so that they go together. I figured, well, since this has to be changing color while this is going around, it turns out that the dot actually speeds up when it's going down a bit. So I have to do timing. Change this to 10, because that's about a good speed, 10 seconds, and then now I go here. Now timing, this has to be less because it happens slower, so 6.5 I found works pretty well. And then I do, I make it repeat until I click, and then I'll do the same with this. Timing, repeat until I click again. Okay. And then, so now I'll just be, yes, I did start with previous. Now, this one?
Can you make the oval go slower?
I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, I didn't hit okay. I think I hit close. 10, okay. There we go. So see, it starts going faster around there a bit, and then now it comes down and goes. Shift F5. Now this is what happens.
We did the hurricane.
Here's what happens. So it's like this. And then now it does this. And then it's changing color as it goes, and it warms up underwater. See? It turns red, which is warming up. Then as it goes out, it gets closer to space, and it starts to cool down. Goes into the water. It's been cold. Yeah, I think I have to speed it up.
Try speeding it up.
Yeah. I think I'd actually done 6. It's timing. Maybe it's 6.
I think it's actually going to be a bigger difference.
Well, let's try it.
I bet it'll be like 4.
Wait.
5 or 4, yeah.
Watch.
Let's see if it turns blue at the top. Oh,
Yeah, that's
Robbie,
good.
you're a genius. That's really good. Turn it red again.
And then it turns red under here.
Oh, that is so cool.
And that's how I animated that. And then, so that's just the circle animations. But then if we go to this one, we have light winds right here, which are part of the needs for forming a hurricane, and these clouds will come in all at the same time. Oh, I forgot to animate this one.
Those are speech bubbles that look like clouds.
No, how do you get that glass thing?
It's a line.
Well, I thought you like moved something in it.
Okay, so now this is what happens on this one when the clouds all come in. So now it fades in, and then all this happens.
That's really cool.
And then now it starts coming around, and it has a different animation on this one, but I'll change it so that it's a bit
I like
bigger.
this one better. It gets red at the right thing. Look.
Yeah, it's a bit better. I'll have to check what the timing on this one is.
That one's perfect. Because it should get red right there. That one's perfect.
Yeah, and then we're going to want to change the size of it, though, so that it's less going off the screen.
So explain, as far as hurricanes form, what's the first thing that happens in a hurricane?
The first thing that happens in a hurricane is a storm, a big storm that's over a body of water will start to get bigger, and and warm air comes up and speeds it up because warm air moves faster than cold air. It's kind of like air is cold-blooded. If it's warm, it can move fast, but if it's cold, it can't.
That's a good way of putting it. Okay, let's stop the video because it's perfect.
It wasn't rolling.
Yeah, it was.
What?
Yep.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it
Oh,
was.
that was. Oh.